Hello, in this video we will see what is a computer memory. We will see different types of memories possible. So what is a memory? So memory is temporary or permanent data storage. So we have seen storage can be divided into two types. One is primary and other is secondary. So if it is storing data temporarily, it is a primary storage. If it is storing data permanently, it is a secondary storage. So RAM is a primary storage and it is fast. It stores the data temporarily and it is volatile in nature. So what does volatile mean? So volatile means whenever you restart your computer, all the contents of the RAM will be vanished. So similarly, cache is also a primary memory. So cache is even faster than RAM. It is very small in memory and it is closest to the CPU. Since while performing some CPU instructions, you have to store some data quickly, which won't be of very big size. That will be stored inside a cache memory. But there will be some data which you want to persist and which will be very big in size. That you will have to store in hard drive or SSD. So hard drive or SSD is non-volatile in nature. That means once you have stored any data inside that, how many times you restart your computer doesn't matter. It will be there until you delete the data. So how they work together is, so let's suppose you have some file inside your hard drive. Then that file, if you want to perform some action, will be loaded into RAM, and then CPU will use that file from the RAM, since RAM is faster than hard drive to access.